Hello, welcome back to Math the Best. In this video, we're going to cover a typical lesson regarding to polynomials. That's going to be writing in standard form. You might be given a polynomial and that might not be in standard form. You will be asked to write that polynomial in a standard form. To do so, here I've just mentioned a tip: highest to lowest degree writing. Standard form means to write the polynomial from highest to lowest degree. Okay? For example, here is a polynomial 2x squared plus 3x cubed plus 4y. Here is the cubed, okay? Yeah, plus 3. Here's a polynomial. We're asked to write this in standard form. Here, highest to lowest degree. What is the highest degree? That's this term, okay? Write this term firstly, okay? Which is going to be 3x cubed. Then search here. What's the next highest term? Here's 1, here's 0, and here's the 2. So write down this term, okay? Plus 2x squared. Then this term, okay? Plus 4y plus 3. Here we're having the x to the 0. X to the 0 means 1. 3 into 1 becomes 1. Here we actually don't mention it, okay? So here's the standard form of this polynomial. Let me show you another example. Half x to the 4th minus 2 over 3 x squared plus 3x minus 4 x cubed plus 9. Here's our polynomial and we're asked to write this in standard form. As I mentioned in the above example, highest to lowest degree. What is the highest degree here? Of course, that's the 4th. So write 1/2 x to the 4th. Then what is the next term? Should be 3, okay? After 4, we're having a 3. That's the 3. Minus 4x cubed. Minus 4x cubed. The next term should be 2. This one. Minus 2/3 x squared. The next is going to be 1, which is this, plus 3x plus 9. This is going to be representing the standard form of this polynomial. So I hope you now can do it by your own. That's so simple, so easy to write in standard form a given polynomial. So if this video is helpful, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, share the video's links with other friends who wants to really improve their basics of mathematics skills. So guys, I will see you in my next coming video. Take care of yourself. Bye bye.